In this video, we are going to make a tasty kuska with a combination of sambar. For making masala for this, we need a cup of onion, 6 garlic pieces and some ginger, and 2 green chilies. Now grind these ginger, garlic, small onion. Yep, you heard it right, you need to grind the small onions. And finally a teaspoon of poppy seeds. Don't skip any of these, this masala is what makes the kuska spicy and tasty. You will get a thick paste like this. Now let's get started with the cooking. As usual, turn on the flame. Heat the cooker. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. I am using palm olive oil here. You can use what you have. Once the oil gets hot, it's time for the spices. Add 1 bay leaf, 2 cloves, small piece of cinnamon, 1 star anise, and finally, 2 cardamom and green chili. If you want the kuska spicy, add 2 of them. In this stage add a teaspoon of ghee, which is most important. Roast these in low flame for about a minute, to get the flavor inside the oil. These are the spices. The mistake most of us do, is adding more of these spices, which gives bit of a bitter taste. So make sure to use few of them. And finally, it's time for our kuska masala, which is a major ingredient which gives kuska the taste, and it is also very healthy and aids digestion. As I said before, a cup of small onion is very important, so don't add very few and don't use big onion for this. You need to cook this masala in very low flame for about a minute until the raw smell goes and it gets thick. The final step in making kuska is to add the rice. I am here using the normal rice. Basmati or biryani rice gives best results. Now mix the rice well with the masala. And not to forget, add the salt as per requirement. After the rice gets nicely coated with the masala, add water. For 1 cup of normal rice, I am adding 3 cups of water. If you are using basmati rice, add a little few. After adding the water, wait until the water gets boiling. Now close the cooker and wait for 3 whistles. In the meantime, let's make a quick sambar for this kuska. First pressure cook 1 cup of dal and tomato, with same 3 cups of water, for 3 whistles. Now mash these dal and tomato together to get a perfect consistency for sambar. As usual, heat a pan, add some oil, and wait till the oil gets hot. Add mustard seeds, wait until it spatters. Add 6 to 8 small pieces of garlic and red chili as per your taste. I am adding 2 of them. If you are using Kashmiri red chili you have to add more. Then a handful of curry leaves, small onion and some hing or asafoetida. Add salt as per taste and then sambar powder, turmeric powder, and finally add the vegetable of your choice. Now I am using radish. Drumstick is the best choice for this. Now mix the vegetable well with the masala. and finally add the dal, that we pressure cooked and mashed before, and few tablespoons of turmeric water. That's it, bring it to the boiling point, our tasty sambar is ready. Hope you enjoyed our dish of kuska and sambar. Try it out and share your outcomes in the comment section. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Until then, it's your Indian cook signing off.